You walk into a cafe. The person behind the counter says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" And your mind goes completely blank.
That is exactly what happened to me last week. I just pointed at the menu and said, "This one."
We have all done that, pointing at the menu because the words disappeared.
It is so embarrassing. I know what I want, I just cannot say it.
Today, that changes. 5 phrases. You will use them every single time you order food or drinks in English. Cafes, restaurants, anywhere.
No more pointing at menus?
No more pointing at menus. And if you have ever frozen in front of a menu in English, you are in the right place. Subscribe to the English Parent Lab. We teach real English here, not textbook English. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Let us start with why this moment feels so hard. You already know the words for the food you want. So why do you freeze?
Because I do not know how to start the sentence.
Exactly right. You know coffee. You know sandwich. But you do not know how to connect them to a polite request.
So it is not about vocabulary?
It is about structure. And today, we fix the structure. Once you have it, you can order anything. Phrase 1. The most important phrase in this entire episode. Can I have, please?
Can I have, please?
Say it again.
Can I have, please?
This phrase works for everything. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a sandwich, please? Can I have the menu, please? Anything you want, start with this phrase.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. That sentence right there is the only thing you need to order something simple.
That is so much easier than I thought.
It always is.
Now, phrase 2. When you are not sure what to choose, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
This phrase is wonderful. It shows you trust them. It makes the person helping you feel good. And it solves your problem when the menu is confusing.
What do you recommend?
Phrase 3. When you need to know about sizes or options. What sizes do you have?
What sizes do you have?
Very useful for coffee. Very useful for drinks. Small, medium, large. But you do not need to know those words yet. Just ask the question. They will tell you the options.
What sizes do you have?
Phrase 4. For when you have a special need, maybe an allergy, maybe you do not eat something. Does this have in it?
Does this have in it?
For example, does this have nuts in it? Does this have meat in it? This phrase keeps you safe and informed.
Does this have nuts in it?
And phrase 5, the last step, when it is time to pay. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Good! Or if you have cash, I'll pay in cash.
I'll pay in cash.
5 phrases. Let us say them all together.
Can I have, please? What do you recommend? What sizes do you have? Does this have in it? Can I pay by card?
Those 5 phrases will take you through any cafe, any restaurant, anywhere in the English-speaking world.
Now, one common mistake. This is very important. In many languages, you order by saying, "I want a coffee."
That is what I say.
In English, that sounds a little strong, a little demanding, even rude.
Really? I never knew that.
I want is direct. It sounds like a command. Can I have is the same request, but it sounds polite, soft, natural.
So, I want a coffee is the mistake.
It is the most common mistake English learners make when ordering. Always change I want to can I have.
Can I have a coffee? Not I want a coffee.
Exactly. This one small change makes you sound completely natural. Quick culture note. In English-speaking countries, please and thank you are used much more often than in many other languages.
How often?
Almost every sentence when you are ordering. Can I have a coffee, please? After they give it to you, thank you so much. It might feel like too much. It is not. It is normal. It is expected.
So I should say please and thank you more than feels natural to me?
At first, yes, it will feel like too much, but it is exactly right in English.
Now, let us practice. Real situations. I will be the person behind the counter. You order. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, or large?
Can I have a medium, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Does this have milk in it?
No, that one is black. Would you like milk?
Yes, please.
No problem. That will be $3.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
That was perfect. A complete order, start to finish. No pointing at the menu
It felt so natural.
because you had the structure. Let us try another situation. This time, a restaurant.
Ready.
Hi, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes. What do you recommend?
The pasta is very popular. Or the chicken sandwich.
Does the pasta have nuts in it?
No, no nuts in the pasta.
Great. Can I have the pasta, please?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Can I have a water, please?
Sure thing. Coming right up.
Thank you so much.
Two completely different situations. Same 5 phrases. That is the power of learning the structure.
One more situation. This time, something goes wrong. What do you do if you do not understand what they said?
I use the phrases from episode 2.
Exactly. Let us combine everything. Ready? Would you like that for here to go?
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Would you like that for here or to go?
For here, please.
See? Episode 2 phrases plus episode 3 phrases working together. Real conversation.
It all connects.
That is the whole system. Every episode builds on the last one.
Let us review all 5 phrases. Say each one out loud at home.
Ready? Say it with us.
Phrase 1. How do you ask for something?
Can I have, please?
Say it at home. Can I have, please? Good. Phrase 2. When you are not sure what to choose,
What do you recommend?
say it. What do you recommend? Good. Phrase 3. When you need to know about sizes,
What sizes do you have?
say it. What sizes do you have? Good. Phrase 4. When you have a special need,
Does this have in it?
say it. Does this have in it? Good. Phrase 5. when it is time to pay.
Can I pay by card?
Say it. Can I pay by card? Perfect. Now, the full practice. You are at home. Say Maya's lines out loud. I will give you a moment after each line. Hi, what can I get for you? Pause.
Can I have a tea, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Pause. What sizes do you have?
Small, medium, or large?
Pause. Can I have a small, please?
Of course. That will be $2.
Pause. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Pause. Thank you so much.
You just ordered a complete drink in English from start to finish.
And I did not point at anything.
No pointing needed ever again.
Let us do the final review. What are today's phrases?
Number 1.
Can I have, please?
Number 2.
What do you recommend?
Number 3.
What sizes do you have?
Number 4.
Does this have in it?
Number 5.
Can I pay by card?
And remember, never I want. Always, can I have?
Can I have? Not I want.
5 phrases, 1 small but important fix. Use them today. Every cafe, every restaurant.
See you in the next one.
In the next episode, we go outside. We learn exactly what to say when you need directions in English, when you are lost and need to find your way. See you then.